Balik sa GMA Regional TV Live mga kapuso. Karong buntaga pangusta-hunta ang gihimusab sa Armed Forces of the Philippines nining gubat nato batok sa COVID-19. Makauban nato COMCENTCOM Commander sa Central Command Lieutenant General Roberto Angcan. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Nico.
Thank you so much, sir, for joining us. Kumusta na, sir, ang Central Command karon sa atong fight versus COVID-19?
So far, with God's grace, we're still doing our job in our peace and development efforts here in the Visayas region. With God's grace and sa atong bayanihan, we will really heal as one.
Can you share to us, General, sa mga efforts nga gihimo nato sa Central Command nining atong fight versus COVID-19?
Actually, our fight against the COVID, we support our Philippine National Police, especially our regional director here in PNP7, Brigadier General Albert Ferro, support actually yung AFP natin. Then kung ano man ang mga directives and other implementation guidelines set forth by our national IATF, we do it. Aside from our community quarantine checkpoints, aside from our efforts, quarantine checkpoints, delivery of the medical equipment. So galing sa national, we deliver it here in the Visayas through our seacraft, our Philippine Navy vessel, as well as our helicopters on the limited flight. We deliver these medical supplies and other equipment, PPEs, and so on and so forth in my area of responsibility here in the Visayas region.
So ano po mga challenges, sir, nga giatubang karon sa CENTCOM, and how are you able to get through this, sir? Doon na ba yung mga augmentation from other areas, General?
Actually, kung ano ang forces available sa akin, I just contend with it and have a planning together with my staff and my other OPCOM commanders. For the information of everybody, Central Command, I have two infantry divisions here. One is located in Region 6. Ang area of responsibility is dito sa Region 6 and Region 7. And our 8th Infantry Division, ang area is Region 8. So, yun ang mga forces natin na nag-set up din ng quarantine checkpoints. And I have my Navy and Air Force. Yung Navy natin, yun sila ang mga deliver ng supplies using our transport vessels. And yung Air Force naman natin, yung mga helicopters natin. And I also requested transport aircraft kung medyo need na. Then, time nung wala pa yung Eastern Visayas and Western Visayas, kami nagkukuha ng mga samples. Yung mga swab kits, kami yung nagkumukuha using our small planes.
At nagde-deliver. Yeah. General, aside from the Philippine Navy, we learned sa mga COVID cases sa NAVFORCEN, may iba pa bang arms of CENTCOM na inflicted with COVID? Mga pila na ni ka mga tao na to, General?
Practically, I have 191. These are uniform troops, and 10 doon ang mga health workers ko. They were also dependents, yung mga pamilya. 15 of them were affected, and our civilian human resource also engineers.
So you have your own triage facility, your emergency quarantine facility inside the camp, sir. Dakong tabang, sir, to treat your patients, mga personnel na positive?
Yeah. It was really a great help to us. Actually, nadagdagan ta din sa mga doctors, nurses, and medical aid men coming from our armed forces health service command dito sa Viluna. Nagpadala din si Chief of Staff nato and other major service commanders from the Army, Air Force, and Navy. Salamat ko sa ilang dakong tabang nila dili lang sa Central Command but sa Cebu City. So ang triage nato, they were the ones who are nag-check up sila sa mga personnel nato. Aside sa mga personnel, military, dependents, and our civilian human resource. dakong tabang, and they also do the swabbing kasi may mga medtech man ta din eh.
General, between fighting insurgents po and COVID-19, asa may mas sayon, sir?
Actually, for my 33 years in the active military service, fighting all threat groups, kaya ko, I thought really, I went here actually I came from a division. I was a commander of the 1st Infantry Division dito sa Zamboanga Peninsula, Lanao area, part Misamis Occidental, Basilan, so on and so forth, in that area, in the western part of our country. Tawag na doon, the southern frontier, yung sa western part of the Mindanao. I know how to fight them, all threat groups. But itong COVID, this is an unseen enemy. We don't know, no one can claim expertise on this. Mahirap talaga. I for one really don't expect this to happen, but nandito na, we'll face it. Dapat buo din ang loob mo dito. Sabi nga, tibay ng dibdib. And tulong-tulungan. Just like what we're fighting the insurgency, this is a whole of nation approach. Just like itong COVID din, we must really help.
Nakapa-slow down ang pandemic sa atong mga efforts, General, or padayon gud gihapon ani atong insurgency problem?
Nag-slow down tayo, especially our forces were tasked to help in the fight against COVID, especially yung pag-ano ng mga quarantine community checkpoints, and we still do our job. Sabi nga, kahit unsa man ang mga pandemic din nga, basta we continue our job. Kung unsa man matabang sa atong kasundaluhan, your armed forces will be there to protect the populace.
We learned nga you're still on lockdown, padayon paghihapon. Wala ba ni naka-apekto sa moral sab sa atong mga tao o pagbuhat sab sa inyong primary function?
Actually, I don't call it as a lockdown. We're still on red alert here sa campo for security reasons. And yun naman, yung military camp, ito na lang yung kumbaga itong pinaka-secured area. Once you will not place this on red alert, wala na may kwan. But we will still continue our job.
Finally, to cap this off, General, mensahe nyo lang po sa inyong mga tao o sa atong katawhan sab mismo, basin doon ay gusto ipaambit ang Central Command ng AFP.
If you want to walk fast, you walk alone. If you want to walk farther, let us walk. Let us walk together. Nung tinabangay kitang tanan para sa, hindi lang para sa Kalinaw sa Kalambuan, para for us to heal as one here in the Visayas region and the entire country. Daghang salamat o mayong buntag ka natong tanan.
Alright, thank you so much, ComCentCom, sa pag-uban kanamo karong buntaga. Lieutenant General Roberto Angcan, ang Commander sa Central Command. Thank you, sir.